Hello students, welcome to Sarabsa's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI Bstat question paper of year 2017. Today we will be solving question number 22. In question number 22 it has been said that let theta be equal to 2 pi by 7. And now we will consider the matrix A, which is equal to, the matrix A is equal to cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now if AN means A into A into A into A up n times, then a to the power 100 is given by option A, cos 2 theta sin minus sin 2 theta sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. This is the first matrix. The second matrix is cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. This is the second matrix. The third matrix is 1 0 0 1, and the fourth matrix is 0 minus 1 1 0. So these are the four options for a to the power 100. So what we will do, we will try to find a general term, a general expression of the matrix A to the power n. We will try to induce it by mathematical induction. So what we will do, we have been given that A is the matrix cos theta minus of sin theta, sin of theta and cos of theta. So this is the matrix that we have been given. Now we will try to find out A square. The matrix A square is nothing but cos theta minus of sin theta, sin of theta cos of theta into cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta and cos theta. Upon multiplication, A square gives us cos of 2 theta minus sin of 2 theta, sin of 2 theta by cos of 2 theta. Similarly, A cube will be A square into A, that will give us cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, sin of 2 theta cos of 2 theta into cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta and cos of theta. We will see that this will give us the matrix cos 3 theta minus sin of 3 theta, sin of 3 theta and cos of 3 theta. And now if we try to extend it further, this will give us a to the power n is equal to cos of n theta minus sin of n theta, sin of n theta and cos of n theta. So this is the, by induction we have got this matrix. So now we'll try to find out a to the power 100. So a to the power 100 will be given by, let me insert a new page over here. Let me change the background. Okay, so now we are set. Now we have to find out a to the power 100. Now a to the power 100 is given by cos of 100 theta minus sin of 100 theta, sin of 100 theta cos of 100 theta. So now we know that theta is equal to 2 pi by 7. This is what we have been given. So this implies that cos of 100 theta is cos of 200 pi by 7 minus sin of 200 pi by 7, sin of 200 pi by 7 cos of 200 pi by 7. So this is the matrix that we have got. So now if we try to break it down, this will give us, now let us ignore this portion and now let us try to break down 200 pi by 7. 200 pi by 7, if we break down, this will give us 28 pi plus 4 pi by 7. So this will be basically equal to 28 pi. Now 2 theta is equal to 2 pi by 7, so 4 pi by 7 will be equal to 2 theta. Okay, so basically 200 pi by 7 will be equal to 28 pi plus 2 theta. So this will cos of 28 pi plus 2 theta. Then here it will be minus sine of this value, and cos of this value. So this matrix, we'll try to put it down, we'll try to simplify it, and ultimately we'll get that cos of 28 pi plus 2 pi is nothing but cos of 2 theta minus sine of 28 pi plus 2 theta will be equal to minus of sine 2 theta. This will be basically equal to this will be basically in the first quadrant. This will be in the first quadrant. Let me mention this also. This will be in the first quadrant. Okay. So this will also come to sine of 2 theta, and this will also come down to cos of 2 theta, which is the option A. So today we will solve question number 22 from the Isi Bstat question paper of year 2017. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.